Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to explore how hackers can exploit a vulnerable Windows system, and more importantly, how you can protect yourself from these attacks. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, and you only test this on systems you own or have permission to test. So let's dive in. So you go into your Windows machine and get the IP address from there by opening the command prompt. Type cmd and type ipconfig and press enter. So these are ipconfig. You're gonna go into a Kali machine and open the terminal and type sudo nmap space -sv, then the IP address of the target machine. To scan for open ports and to see if the host is up or down. You wait for it to scan. You can see we have port 445 open, so we are going to open Metasploit by typing sudo msf console, then hit enter. And we search for Eternal Blue. Hit enter. You scroll up and copy the first one over here. Right click and click on copy. Come down and type use, then you paste what you just copied there. Eternal Blue, just copy there and hit enter. Then you set the R hosts. Set R hosts. Then the IP address of the targeted machine or the target machine. And hit enter. Then you type exploit. Then you hit enter. Wait for Metasploit to do its magic. You can see over here the Windows is vulnerable to MS17-010. That means we can get into the system. So wait for Metasploit. Right now we are in. It's game over. We are in the system. So let's have help to see the commands that we can use to launch attack against this system. These are some commands we can use to launch attack against the system. We have a lot of commands here. Scroll down. Okay, so let's type shell to enter the command prompt of the target machine. Shell, we are in the system. As you can see, you can perform some of the command, the Windows command there. Let's go back. You can even see what the victim is doing on his or her PC by typing screen share and hit enter. It will display the screen of the target machine for you in Kali Linux. Wait for it to come. Boom, now you can see the screen of the target machine, which is the Windows. You can see it. You can even go there and check. You can see it. That's why let's close it and open the password and go back. Okay, let's go back into our Kali and see whether it's true or not. You can see the File Explorer we just open. That's it. So yeah, this is how hackers can get access into someone's PC. And how can we protect ourselves from these attacks? By 1, keep Windows updated. 2, use a firewall or disable unnecessary ports. 3, install antivirus or an anti-malware. 4, you can enable multi-factor authentication. And you can also back up your system. And one important thing is, do not connect to an unknown Wi-Fi like free Wi-Fi. Don't connect to these Wi-Fi. It could be an attacker trying to trick you. So guys, thank you. That is how hackers can exploit vulnerable Windows systems and how you can stay safe. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cybersecurity content. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.